1. Correct use of periods, question marks, and exclamation points. Every complete sentence must end with the appropriate punctuation mark. A period is used for declarative statements. Example, the sun sets in the west. A question mark is used for direct questions. Example, where did you go last night? An exclamation point is used for strong emotions or exclamatory statements. Example, watch out for the car. Incorrectly punctuated sentences, where are you going, should end with a question mark. Where are you going? I can't believe you did that, should end with an exclamation point or period. I can't believe you did that. 2. Proper use of commas. Commas help clarify meaning by separating elements within a sentence. In a list, use commas to separate 3 or more items in a list. Example, I bought apples, oranges, and bananas. The final comma before and is called the Oxford comma. Though optional, it improves clarity. Before conjunctions in compound sentences, when joining to independent clauses with a conjunction such as and, but, or, nor, for, so, yet, use a comma before the conjunction. Example, I wanted to go to the park, but it started raining. Incorrect. I wanted to go to the park, but it started raining. After introductory elements. Example, after the meeting, we went to lunch. Incorrect. After the meeting, we went to lunch. With non-essential clauses, a non-essential clause provides extra information that is not crucial to the meaning of the sentence. It should be set off with commas. Example, my brother, who lives in New York, is visiting us next week. Incorrect. My brother who lives in New York is visiting us next week. 3. Correct use of apostrophes. Apostrophes indicate possession or contractions. For possession, singular noun, the cat's toy is on the floor. Plural noun, the dog's park is nearby. For contractions, example, don't, do not, can't, cannot, it's, it is. Incorrect, it's raining outside. Correct, it's raining outside. 4. Proper use of quotation marks. Quotation marks are used for direct speech or quotes. Example, she said, I love reading books, when the quotation is part of a larger sentence. Example, we should leave now, he said. Incorrect, he said, we should leave now. The capital W should be lowercase. 5. Correct use of colons and semicolons. Colons introduce lists, explanations, or examples. Example, there are 3 things I love: music, books, and movies. Incorrect, I love music, books, and movies. Semicolons join to independent but closely related clauses. Example, I have a big test tomorrow, I need to study tonight. Incorrect, I have a big test tomorrow, I need to study tonight. This is a comma splice. Conclusion. To determine which sentences are punctuated correctly, check for proper placement of commas, periods, apostrophes, quotation marks, and semicolons. Applying these rules will ensure clarity and readability in writing.